Hey lovely people, Coupon and Crystle here with a Walmart Ibotta haul, guys. These are some must-do deals. We got some great coupons, and then add in the Ibotta rebates, makes for some great savings, guys. So let's jump into it and let's talk about what I got. Now, the first thing I did was on the flips. Now, unfortunately, my store only seems to have the chocolate ones, even though I really prefer the white chocolate ones, but I went on and got them anyway. They were priced at $2.92 each. We have a 75-cent coupon, which dropped my cost to $2.17 in store. And then there is a 75-cent Ibotta rebate, making the final cost $1.42. My husband likes these as well, so we'll probably share these. Now, the next thing I got was on the Renewzits. You guys know how I feel about the Renewzits. I love these little things, especially the Snuggle scent. All right, now I actually had a coupon. Shout out to Ranty Baby. I got my coupons today and I was able to use that. Buy 4, get 2 free, something like that. I think that's how the coupon is worded, okay? So I got 6 and then it takes 2 off. So they were priced at 97 cents in my Walmart for a total of $5.82. So there's 3 of them. And I actually got the other 3 right here. So I'm gonna sit them all right there. For a total of $5.82, and it took off $1.94 for the 2, and that is the coupon in store. Then we had a $2 Ibotta rebate, making the final cost be $2.76 for the 6 or 46 cents each. That's a good deal, I think, for me. I even sometimes will put those in bundles as well. Okay, so the next thing that I got was a good deal, guys, was on the Aqua Fresh Toothpaste Extreme Clean. In my Walmart, it was priced at $2.54. Now, we also have a $1 insert coupon, dropping the cost in store to $1.54. And then we have a $1 Ibotta rebate, making the final cost be 54 cents. Great deal. Let's sit it right there. We'll sit it right there because it don't want to, it don't want to act right. We'll sit it right there so y'all can see it. The next thing I got, guys, and I've actually gotten this before, the Philly Swirl Popsicles. I actually like these things. They have a good taste to them. $2.47. There is a $1 coupon, making the cost be $1.47 in store. And then there is a 75-cent Ibotta rebate, making the final cost 72 cents for some popsicles. You know you got them kids on because they doing virtual learning, so you might as well get them popsicles. I'm the kid up in here. I'm about to eat that. All right, now let's see. What else did I get? The next deal I was super excited for, this was the best deal, was the Dow body wash, guys. Shout out to Ranty Baby. Got my buy one, get one free Dow coupons from you. Thank you very much. Because I didn't get them in my region, okay? So they were $3.98 each in the store. The buy one, get one free coupon took off 1, so I only had to pay for 1 in store for $3.98. But there is $1.25 Ibotta rebates, making for a great deal that I got back on each one of these. So that was $2.50 back, making the final cost for the body wash $1.48 for the 2, or 74 cents each. Great deal. That's a great deal, guys. That's a good deal. So all of my stuff combined together was actually a grand total of $21.71. Then I had my coupons, and after my coupons in store, I had to pay $13.04 plus tax, but I got back $7 in rebates, making the final cost be $6.04 or 60 cents each for 10 items. That's a pretty good deal right there, if I must say so myself, guys. So I hope you all are taking advantage of Ibotta. I hope you are a Ibotta participant. If you're not, you're more than welcome to go in the description box of this video and use my code, and you will get some extra Ibotta money. Okay, it's a great savings. You combine it with some coupons, guys, makes for a great deal. I'll even try to link my video I made some time ago that's showing you how to use Ibotta if you guys are not familiar with it. But Ibotta is just a great layer of savings to utilize with your couponing, and I'm sure you guys will enjoy it if you decide to join. Okay, so that's it for this video, guys. Remember, click to save and you will be amazed. Bye bye.